Now we will understand how to iterate through a string. Like I am defining equal to hello Rahul. So if I define it a and then with bracket and then square bracket, I am writing, sorry, this index is starting from 0. So h is 0, E is 1, L is 2, O is 3, space is 4, R is 5, A is 6, H is 7, U is 8, L is 9. So if I want E, then I am to write 1, then I print A of 1. Sorry, this has to be commented out, putting it as a hash. This should not run. Now if we run, so what it is giving? It is giving E. E's index is 1. So we can iterate a string character through indexing. And indexing is starting from 0 in strings. In Python, indexing is start from 0. Now if we want to write print hello world, we will iterate this through a square bracket, and then we write index from where we have to start, like 0, and then we will use colon, and then from till where we want to go. Like this index is 4, but 4 is not included. If we print this, so what it is giving? Hello. It is not giving us the white space. And what if I write 5, then it is giving white space that is not shown. Now I write here 6, so it is giving R, and R is 5. So it is first letter is included, last letter is excluded. If I write here like shift 2, then what will happen? It is giving us H to L, means it is skipping one letter. This shows that every second letter is printing here, means first letter is 0, then after first and second letter L, then first and second letter, this is a space, so it is showing here. We have taken that the sixth index is not coming inside this 2, so it is printing H and L. We can write 3 also, so it iterate after 3 letter, so it is giving H and O. So in this way we can iterate through a string. And let's, if we want, we are giving colon and we are giving 5, it will also giving hello. This means either we are giving 0. If we write 0 here, then also the result will be same. So Python is understanding, if we are not writing anything, it understand it as a 0. And if the same thing, like I am printing 0 or I am writing nothing here, so it will take the whole string, means from starting to end it is taking all letters. Colon is defining from where to where we need to iterate through the string, and if we are defining set integer, so it will iterate by passing that letter, that every letter, third letter, like this is the third letter will be showing to you during printing. In this way we can iterate through the string.